everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the 5-minute makeup challenge because apparently you guys like to see me stressed out. So I did just finish filming another look, so that's why I have like a little bit of black eyeliner. I tried to go in there and get the most that I could, but that's what it is. I'm not trying to cheat. You guys know I don't really wear eyeliner down there anyway. So, oh, that sounded a little dirty. Oops. I meant I don't wear eyeliner on my bottom lash line that much. But yeah guys, let's get into it. I don't want to make this too long. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, share my videos with your friends and family. Let's get into it. I'm already nervous. I just want to get into it. Okay guys, so I went ahead, I zoomed you in just a little bit more. I pushed back my hair. If you see me reaching over here to the side, looking to the side, I'm just grabbing my stuff. I mostly left it in the drawer because there's like red everywhere. So I just didn't want to get all my stuff full of red. So that's what I'm doing if I'm like looking and reaching over here. And I have 5 minutes on the clock and we are about to get started. Okay, oh, you guys know I do my eyes first. That's where I'm starting. Okay, ready? And go. You guys, the stress. I already did the 10-minute makeup challenge, you guys. Check that out. I'll link it down below. That was 30 seconds already? Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay. You guys, I'm probably going to be quiet through most of this. I am stressing. I don't even know what brush to go in with. You guys, apparently I've been into berry and pink. I just picked up a color I didn't even think this through. Oh my god, 3 minutes, okay. Oh my god. You guys, that's as good as it's gonna get. And then I'm just gonna go with my finger. I don't even know what I'm doing. I was gonna go for a halo and that went a little bit too wide. Oh, glitter. Well, didn't I do glitter last time and I regretted it? I'm regretting it. I have glitter on my foundation. Oh my god, I have 2 minutes left. Okay. Here I am just doing basically an eyeshadow look. That was primer. Oh my god, I'm going in with my sponge. Didn't even let that primer set. You guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Why do you guys like to put me through this? God, a minute. I am stressed. Totally uneven, for sure. Here is my, you guys, going in with highlight. Like, hello. 30 seconds. Did I do blush? No, I didn't. Okay. I don't know where my blush brush is. Oh my god, I'm going with my fingers. You guys. Ooh, big mistake, big mistake. Ugh. As if the whole look looks good. Mascara! Ugh. You guys, that was stressful. I didn't even do anything. What was that? You guys, what is this? Okay guys, but that's gonna be it for me. I just realized that I have like 5 pounds of glitter down here. So there's that. This looks like bad and like red and swollen. It's stained from my last look, and I feel like it makes it look even extra puffy. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed seeing me stressed out. I literally had no idea what I was doing. I feel like I could have maybe got more done if I didn't do so much on the eyes. I don't know. I couldn't help it. Okay guys, so if you want to recreate this look, I'm just kidding. Okay guys, so that is it from me. If you guys have any other challenges you want to see, I kind of want to have my husband on here, and I want him to do the like, what is it, 1 chip challenge or whatever. I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on it. I think he'll do it. I think he said he'd do it. Okay guys, so I'll let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in my next one. Adios.